Good morning. I just woke up. It's 8:50. Well, I didn't just wake up. I woke up at 5 trying to upload my vlog from yesterday. Darren went on a bike ride. Excuse the mess. It's really messy here. So here's his little biking outfit. How's your bike ride?
It was fun.
Where'd you go?
Huntington Beach. I'm trying to figure out what to name my ride, because I went 25 miles in an hour and 16 minutes.
Cool. I didn't even know he left. No, actually, I heard you wake up, but oh yeah, I woke up at 5 to try to upload yesterday's vlog to YouTube, and that took a while. And I think I was awake for about an hour, and then just woke up now, and it's almost 9 o'clock. The kids are still sleeping. If you want to see them. Oh, Alex looks like he's about to wake up. Andre is knocked out. Those are his pajamas from his birthday, from Uncle Aju and Auntie Tiana. Okay, I don't know what we're doing today. I think we're actually gonna try the beach this time. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Thank you for being a good brother. I like your outfit, Andre. Andre just woke up. And we grabbed them. Hi, Alex. Hi, handsome boy. Oh, thank you for always loving me.
Looks like summer.
Hi, Alex.
I like it with your shorts on.
You're wearing your brother's clothes when he was smaller. Oh, I like your shorts and I like your little feet. Oh, orange. And let me see your outfit, baby. Can I see what you're wearing?
Okay, lay down.
And Andre is wearing a shirt that has a shark coming out of a banana. Hi, brothers. Okay, so we're still getting ready, mostly because of me. I still have to feed the baby and do my makeup, but I just took out my braids and here's my hair. I don't think I'm gonna fix it again because what's the use? I mean, I guess I could have, but nah. So today I have on this little kimono thing, this white top, and then some shorts. Shorts that are not gonna be seen on camera because I didn't work out before this trip. Anyways, that's it. Maybe I'll show another one later. And I look dewy because I just put some sunscreen on. Okay, I think we're about to leave. Peace.
Okay, you got everything?
Trying on some baby sandals on Alex. How you doing, little dude? How you doing, Alex? I know, you can't wait to go out. Can I record you? I like your hat. Bless you, Alex. Can I see your banana shirt? Wow. Okay, so we are finally on the road. It is 11 o'clock. As you can see, I put my little braid back in because if I kept it out too long, my hair would be a frizz ball. So I rebraided it and I'm gonna take it out once we get wherever we're going. Sorry. And then I put on some lipstick. I never wear lipstick, but you know, for the sake of the video, why not? Okay, where are we off to today?
Oh, we're recording. Maybe we're going down to the coast on the Pacific Coast Highway, going down Laguna Beach, down to Dana Point, and then we'll go walk around there and see if we find anything awesome.
Sounds good to me. Stay tuned. Time to sing. Do you love Abby?
Yeah.
Do you love Tita Rosie?
Yeah.
Do you love Uncle?
Yeah.
Andre loves his friends and family? No. Do you love?
You guys are.
Okay, time to take out these braids. What you think? Look good? I don't even have any.
Lordy.
Oh my god. Okay, anyways, we just ordered some pizza. The kids are both sleeping. We're planning on stopping at the beach somewhere, so we're taking the pizza to go. And we're just looking for a cheap pizza to snack on. I know I say snack all the time and it ends up being like a burger, 3 fries, a drink, some cookies and all that. But that's just what we call a snack, okay? Okay, okay. If you don't like it, get off my vlog. No, I'm just kidding. Keep watching, please. Okay, so we ordered from Domino's, and what else? Pizza's not gonna be ready for 10 to 20 minutes, so now we're just driving around, and I'll show you a little bit. Oh my god, just kidding. Please do not mind the cursing in my video. Andre's sleep. Oh, I said that already. Okay, bye. So I kind of remember being here before, but I don't even know because we used to come here a lot. And Darren's like, hey, do you remember when we stopped at Vaughn's and you had to buy some pads? And I'm like, no, I don't really. My memory's so bad. And he goes, hey, remember we stopped at that Bank of America and you had to get some money? And I'm like, I don't remember those things. There are some things that I remember, like the randomest things. But I don't remember going to the grocery store to buy some pads or withdrawing money from a specific ATM machine. Anyways, what else do you remember about this place?
I just remember when we came here, we went to a couple of thrift stores. And then we did get some deals on some camping stuff.
I don't remember. We got good deals, but we don't remember where we put it. So was it really a deal? Comment down below if you think that if you think that was a deal. That's like getting a good deal on fresh produce, but just to have it rot in your crisper part of your refrigerator. I always tell my mom that. Okay, that's all. Till then, I want to go to thrift stores though. But we have this double stroller now and it's hard to maneuver, so it's not that fun. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, the water. Yeah.
Okay, so we just parked at Dana Point and we have a little picnic set out.
Andre, look. She's a mommy.
So I'm feeding the baby. He's down here. And we're just gonna have some pizza, and then after that, I don't know. You'll see. Maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully, yeah. I'm pretty sure. Why do you act like a shark?
Okay, mommy wants to see.
No, you have to use your words. What do you want? You want a juice.
Okay, here, let me put some,
Ooh. Daddy has mommy's drink, and he's putting water in the juice. We're at one of those points when Alex was just sleeping and he woke up, and now Andre just started screaming out of nowhere. He wants Jamba Juice, but we just ate. I told him that they're closed right now and that we have to get it later. Okay, what is our update? We are driving around. I think we're back to Huntington area. There's a lot of traffic right now. Can you even hear me? Anyways, talk to you later when they're not crying anymore. We just found this little baby beach area, playground area, and we're back in Newport Beach. Andre was crying up a storm in the car. I didn't know what was wrong with him, and then once he saw the playground, he just ran to it, and he was super happy. So here's what it looks like. I'm sitting at a picnic bench right now. The weather's still kind of crappy. And here is my baby Alex. Are you a happy guy? Are you a happy guy, Alex? Yeah, you were crying in the car too. But you're a happy boy, huh? Oh, you're hungry. Okay, bye-bye. So these are the shoes that I've been wearing for a while now, and look at my tan line. He already took off his shoes. So cute. Hey, sweetheart, what are you doing? Playing in the sand? Playing with the truck? And what color is the truck? Red. And what color is your shovel?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Okay, so here we're going to Jamba Juice for a little afternoon snack.
Is Andre on?
Help me.
Ah! Okay.
Andre, I see you drinking. Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Okay, we are back in the room after getting some Jamba Juice. I drank mine super fast because Andre and I actually shared one. Okay, so right now we are planning on giving the kids a nap because they are way past due for a nap. I'm feeding the baby right now. It's a secret because you can't see it. Darren's giving Andre a bath because he had sand all over. And I think we're going to get El Toro Bravo again for dinner. Darren plans on going out to bike shops while we are taking a nap. Obviously, I'm going to take a nap with the kids. And that's about it. I don't know if we're going out later. I know Darren mentioned we could go back to downtown Disney if I want to. There was actually something that I wanted to buy there. But I don't know if I want to spend $40. What do you think? Actually, you can't even vote because by the time this is posted, it'll be over and the decision will be made. So maybe not. Maybe next time. Fabulous hair. It's my updo, as you can see. Also, I scheduled an appointment for a chiropractic. I'm so scared. Okay, so side story. When I was pregnant, I had really bad back pain that I would like cry. So I bought this Groupon for a chiropractic visit and a massage. But I was kind of late in my pregnancy that I was kind of scared to use it. And now, I ended up not using it. And it expires while we're gone. But they let me use it. So, I'm so happy. I don't even know when I'm doing this. Ooh. Anyways, I still don't know if I'm going to use it because I made the appointment, but they said I could change the name to somebody else if I want to. And I did tell my brothers that they could use it. So, we'll see about that. Okay. Peace out. Darren just walked through the door with this. Nachos with some extra chips, horchata, and then he ended up getting Taco Bell, which is pretty funny because Andre only ate tacos and there wasn't Taco Tuesday deals today, so authentic. And then what is this?
Best
Imitation.
Mexican food in America.
Oh yeah. That is from a study or a survey. Taco Bell won best Mexican food. Anyways, Second day in a row. Darren said he's already getting it for lunch tomorrow.
I know we got.
We got a burrito for you. What's your favorite? Okay, here's a burrito.
Burrito. I'm gonna get the
That's
stretch
not how you
first.
ask. How do you ask for a burrito? Have burrito, please. Okay. Hi, Agagoo. Agagoo. Oh, you. Hi, Alex. Hi, ooh. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Ooh.
I'm gonna eat it sideways.
You ate a lot of that burrito, Andre. Is it good? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. What are you drinking? What are you drinking, Andre?
What are you drinking? Horchata.
Say it again. Say it loud. Horchata. Did you say? What did you say to Daddy? Daddy wants to change your diaper.
No.
Why?
I want to change your diaper. Is that
So
okay?
Darren wanted to change Andre's diaper, and Andre said, "Mama, change diaper already."
I'm gonna change
Nobody
your diaper.
changed your diaper. You just woke up.
I'll be fast.
No.
We're gonna count to 10.
No.
Count to 10. I'll be fast.
Cute is my little Aga in a hoodie. Yeah, you think you're adorable too. Look at her little ears.
They're going. I'm scared.
Okay, so we went out because we wanted to go to Marshall's. And Darren was just screaming about a spider. Because he said he crawled in here. Sorry about the windshield, it's so dirty. Doesn't make for good vlogs. What do you see?
That.
Oh, we're looking at Marshalls. Oh my gosh, I love Dr. Pimple Popper. This kit, I need it. What colors do we have here? Pink, blue, pink, blue. This purple. What other colors do you see? Black.
That is.
Oh, there's something else there? We're at Ross and Andre down the toy section. It's my fault because I was looking at clothes for him. Uh-oh. Get off the floor, it's so dirty.
Cute. You're just a cute little.
If you want boba, say yeah.
Yeah.
That's Andre. Andre loves boba. Okay, so all we did after we ate was we left, and then we went to Marshall's. We went to Ross.
Kind of a
Ross.
bust.
We went to Ross, and then Ross was so packed. They closed at 12:30. That's insane. Anyways, it was so packed with inventory that I couldn't even push the stroller anywhere. I couldn't fit through the aisles, even though we don't have a side-by-side double, but we have a front and back double. Anyways, we decided to leave, and then Darren said, I wish I wasn't so full because I want some dessert. He wanted a milkshake from Jack in the Box, and I wanted an ice cream cone, but I don't want soft serve. I want like a good ice cream cone. But I know those aren't open right now, at least I think. So then we decided on boba. So excited. Okay, now every time I hear so excited, I think of Kevin Hart's comedy stand-up from Netflix. So excited. I think that was him. Okay, I'll show you the boba when we get it. Okay, you might have already seen this view in the daytime, but we are heading there. Boba. Okay, that was a fail. Not because of Seven Leaves' fault, but because they didn't have what we were looking for. But if you are looking for a half gallon of milk tea, they have it, which was kind of cool.
$15.
$15 for a half gallon milk tea. Now we're off to another Ding Tea, another boba place that I actually flagged on Yelp to go. It's actually closer to our place, so hopefully I could show you boba after that. Okay, we made it. Irresponsible parenting, bringing kids out for boba at 10:20 at night.
boba,
How does Alex cry? Okay, we ended up with a regular milk tea and a taro milk tea. Andre is getting his straw ready. Are you excited? How's your milk tea?
Very milky. Like tea.
Darren got a taro milk tea and I got a regular milk tea. But it was a fail, but not a fail. A fail because we left that other place trying to get like a, what is it called? Like, yeah, slush. We always get a taro slush. But they didn't have it there. And at this place, we were too in a rush because we found it on Yelp. And they didn't have a slush either. So, is a slush not common at other places? I don't know. We go to some boba places. Maybe we go to the same ones that they always have what we want. And now that we're trying out these new ones, they don't have it. Anyways, it's good. We're heading back now. The kids are they're not sleeping, they're crying. Andre is awake. He took a sip of boba. And Alex just woke up from a nap. So we'll be home in like maybe 5 minutes. Oh, doodles. Okay, it is 10 something now. We finally got back. I don't know if I mentioned, but the parking at our place right now is horrible. So the parking filled up. Half the parking's not usable because they redid their the road, the parking lot. Anyways, that's annoying. So I had to take the two kids, go to the room by myself, and Darren has to park further away. I'll show you the kids before I sign off for today. Okay. Hi, Andre. Did you have a good time today? And what are you drinking? That's not how you say it. Horchata. Burp. And here's Alex. He just woke up from a nap. Oh, thank you. And unfortunately, Darren's not going to be in this ending for the day because he's still parking the car. Anyways, if you like what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe. I only have 6 subscribers and I don't even know where the other 5 came from because I've had this YouTube channel for a long time and I just usually use it to upload older videos. Daddy's here! Anyways, peace out. Bye.
That's Mommy. That's Daddy.
Hi, Alex. Can you smile for everybody before we go? Can you smile? Oh! Do you have any funny faces to show us? Ooh, how about another one? Ooh! How about another one? And that's a cute face. Not funny. How about when you look up in the sky? How about side eye? Oh, side eye and beautiful eyes. Oh, beautiful. Oh!
It's about
Yuck!
the